Welcome to Atlas Copco, a global leader of industrial solutions. I'm Carly Schultz, an intern with Atlas Copco, and today we're at Michigan State University, looking for the next generation of innovators to join our team. Whether you're interested in technology, engineering, or shaping the future of manufacturing, Atlas Copco has endless opportunities for you to grow your career path and make an impact. A key feature of our program is the Global Industrial Internship, where interns from around the world collaborate on cross-border projects. The Atlas Copco Summer Internship Program offers incredible opportunities and offers a unique blend of hands-on experience, skill development, and the chance to build meaningful connections. You'll engage with diverse cultures, work on key initiatives, and even present your findings to senior leaders during a week at our headquarters in Sweden. Whatever your major or career path is, we have opportunities for you, ranging from technical service and sales roles to marketing, finance, and more. This internship is more than just a summer job. You'll have the opportunity to challenge yourself, learn, and grow. You'll receive comprehensive training to build your skill set to thrive in your career. We deliver innovative and custom solutions that enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability of the assembly process. You likely interact with products made using our solutions every day, whether it's the car you drive or the smartphone in your hand. When it comes to industrial manufacturing, Atlas Copco makes it possible. Our vision at Atlas Copco is to be a global strategic partner for all joining and dispensing solutions. I'm here at Atlas Copco's U.S. headquarters in one of our global innovation centers, right here in Auburn Hills, Michigan.
Some of the key things that I'm looking for upon graduation are somewhere that offers diverse, in-depth training for me right after graduating, as well as additional training throughout my career and opportunities for advancement.
Me too, and I'm also looking for a global company that really embraces that family-like culture and also has some of that work-life balance.
Oh, 100%.
At Atlas Copco, we believe in empowering talent to push the boundaries of what's possible. Are you ready to take the next steps in your career? Visit us today or connect with us online to explore your future with Atlas Copco. We can't wait to see what you'll achieve with us.